Good morning.
Good morning, Discord. Good morning, YouTube. How's everyone doing? Hope everyone is doing well. Today, 23rd of January 2026. Welcome to another edition of WBE TV. Let's take a look at the news we have for today. So for today, 23rd January 2026, we have major impact news at 9:45, flash manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI. And then at 10 a.m., we have medium impact news, revised UOM's consumer sentiment. As always, reduce the time between planting that seed and harvesting. Poverty loves procrastinating. And now I look at our levels for the day. Our bull target is 25,734. Our PDH 25,739. PDO 25,529. PDC 25,658. PDL 25,483. Our bear target is 25,413. And our pivot is 25,613. Now let's see what the market has in store for us today. As usual, very simple method. Blue triangle, buy. Yellow triangle, sell. As you can see, we currently have a sell in play. And it's as simple as that. Follow the signal, and you're as good as gold. Happy hunting, everyone. It's like a quick one, but already 120 takes a profit on this sell.
Just give me my money.
Hey, Kool-Aid.
Morning, Cope. Morning, Ghost. Consolidation Queen, how are thee?
The queen is off today.
So what?
The queen is off today.
Queen is off today? That means you're going on vacation.
I'm on a one-day vacation.
Must be nice.
I'm sick.
Got the boys will be pulling back up.
I think yes, Ghost, you did.
Yes, I'm actually setting mine up right now.
Oh, I'm just not seeing your message, Ghost. Yeah, I added mine already. So let's see how it does. Be right back, guys. Got to go to school.
All set, good to go right now. slow. Take a quick break. I'll be right back, guys.
back.
Hey, how's everybody doing?
Pretty good.
Alright, what is it, 9:20? Market about to open, right? I'm going for buys. I took buys right around 570, so I'm going for buys here. It's gonna be a tough one though. It's gonna be a tough market to play today. Just looking at how everything's set up overnight. This weird range. We've been stuck in since actually since yesterday. Stuck in this range. So that'll be interesting. Right? If I think if the bulls lose 540, if the bulls lose 540, this could go bearish to fill the gaps down 400, 300, 200 lower, right? If the bulls need to take 615, 620 for us to continue bullish, but there's a lot of buy side liquidity as well as you go up into the London highs, right? So price hasn't revisited 700 area, so bulls need to take 620 to push 630, and then 630 will push to 660. It's probably gonna be a day with very like short-lived moves. You know, probably won't be able to hold anything too long. There's just a lot of resistance everywhere, a lot of everything everywhere, a lot of demand supply, a lot of buy side liquidity. So you kind of need. It's gonna be like unless something changes, right? This might be one of those days where you just go for 20 points, 40 points, and you're out. I just don't see it's enough to give big moves. But we'll find out right after the open. Might play out like yesterday, you know, get a quick sell off and a buy up, or we get a strong buy up back into the 700s. If we can't take the 700s one more time, then yeah, we plummet. We do have a nice fair value gap at 780 that still needs to be filled. So if this 577 area holds and we manage to take over that 620, bulls take 620, then yeah, we could see 780, and then who knows, maybe 26,000. But line in the sand for me is these low 500s. Bulls can stay above the 500s, then it's over. But first still attempt to be around 540. I'm gonna sell this first attempt to be around 540. All right, that's what I'm looking at and looking for.
Roger that.
TFP is live and kicking it, so enjoy. And then G Pro probably back. I don't know. We'll see. I'm trying not to rush anything. We'll probably have G Pro maybe by midday. I think I have to run some tests on it.
I'm back.
So we'll see how that goes. I did decide to roll back a lot of stuff, just because I've been trying to make these dummy-proof requirements, so these things can work, right, regardless of who's using it, how. But in turn, that creates a lot of overhead. So rolling a lot of things back and having our developers recode based on how I would use the system, not on some reckless person's ways of using the system or anybody's ways of using the system, just how I would use it. So stripping back a lot of good stuff just so I can keep them lightweight and keep them functional.
Nice.
Yeah.
As it should be.
Yeah, I think the dummy proof
can't please
theory
everyone.
I can't please everybody, and the dummy proof theory is just not working out too well.
We can have this conversation after the live.
We can. Alright. Okay. So if we close above 585, I'm going for buys. What time is it? 6 minutes to the open. Yeah, 585, I'm going for buys. Price needs to break above that 85, 87 area. I'll take buys. I'll go long. All right, I'm in. And we are 10 points and rolling. Like I said, this is not a market where I want to hold anything, so I'm probably gonna play at 20. I'll be protecting every 20 points. I protect 10. Then I just sit back and chill and see how it goes. So I'm already in and protected. That's how I'm gonna play this. I'm not looking to hold anything long. The market just doesn't look clean. There's a lot of levels in between, and so there's going to be a fight at almost every, the way it's looking right now, at almost every 20-point break, there's going to be a fight between the bulls and the bears, unless somebody just comes in and just throws a lot of orders somewhere, and market needs to take off. So that's the game I'm playing today. 20 points out till we get a break, till I see something clean, and I don't see a clean setup right now. How to change those mic settings? There's a lot of static coming out from that. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, so I think we're still going bullish here. OSOB is well lined up, everything looking good. So unless the bears decide to come and throw a wrench in this, I see bulls stepping in. At least back to 607. 607, 603, 607. Let's see. You know what I'm missing? I'm missing a core component of what we should be doing here, but no big deal. Let's see. For our gee, that last 4 hour candle don't look good. Okay. That looks bearish. Let's do this. All right. All right. That's 20 points done. Anybody eat off that one? That was a quick one. And done. But it could continue. So you could close out or you could protect and look for the next one. But that was a good move, and I think it's still going.
Pro is making money.
Yeah, everybody should be making money. Yeah. Which you're using the old Pro?
The latest one.
I have not put out the latest Pro.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The one that we had. That's what I'm using.
Oh, that's what you're using. Okay, gotcha. All right, just be careful.
Yeah.
Just be careful.
My goals are not lofty.
Yeah, if your goals ain't lofty, I think they'll get hit in a blink of an eye. Right? Just be a little bit careful. All right, here we go. 603 smashed. Rating 607's done. Beautiful move. That's a beautiful trade. Hope everybody made something on that one. Not playing today. Not playing any day anyway. All right, 607 done. Let's see if we can get through this resistance level. It's a lot of supply here. We got buy side liquidity. We got supply. New York open, daily open. Everything is in that level. So if we take that level, then we can push this thing back 621. Okay. After that, it's bull, 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 bull until we get to 630s. 630s, we might get some resistance. Market opening in 1 minute. Let's see if we can break through at the open. Be careful here. Market about to open. Anything can happen. It's Cash Friday, so don't go home broke. Don't go home broke. All right, if you took that entry, we are now up 100 ticks, 20 points, and we are rolling. So you get some volume here coming in from the bulls. Again, be careful. I don't like what I see until we get through this gap at 515, 615 rather. So 615. 615.
We're all going to much.
All right, let's see. 615 done. Can we push to 615? Like I said, be careful. We need volume here. All right, there come the bulls. Let's go 615, 617. Beautiful. Next one is 630. Okay, 630 done, and there we go, clearing levels. All right, cool. Be careful up here. Continue to push. Beautiful pump. 630 is done. Okay, can we take? Oh boy, price needs to close above 638. Bulls are not playing this morning. Let's see if they can push it. So next level of resistance is going to be 660. So let's see if the bulls can take this thing to the moon. Through 660 back to 700s, but it's going to be a little bit of resistance here. So like I said, every 20 points, you're going to meet some resistance. It's just how the market's set up overnight. But you should have made real bank off that first trade. So let's see if they can hold, push higher.
Gold has already smashed.
Yeah, most of your accounts should be done. Should be done. All right. Okay, stalling a bit here. Let's see what happens. We do need a push through these 630s. I hope you all are loving this. We're making money.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
We're making money, baby. Let's go. You're gonna bump, but you're gonna fail. So a bit of resistance here coming into supply, so be careful. There we go, 650s. Let's see if we can take 650s and push this thing to the moon. Nice. Okay, I'm taking some off. I'm taking some off the table here. Then I'm gonna look for price to pump through this level. Okay, a little bit of resistance here. Let's see, 650 resistance. Beautiful trade so far. We're going up to almost at Tokyo Open, so probably pull back, fill the gap, and if we stay above 627, 630, then we could easily see price go into the next gap, which is 675. So first trade of the day, beautiful banger, 2070 tick, 67 points on that one. So that was a good one. Right. Massive pullback. Let's see what price wants to do here. 620s gap filled. Done filling our gap. So let's see. Not looking good here. They're losing 620s and losing 630s. So that's not a good look. Not a good look. Big bear candle. Alright, should be out of that trade. Completely. Should be completely out. There's a big bear candle coming down. Alright, so let's see if they can hold 580s and try to push back up. But the bears are coming in strong. So bulls need to make sure they don't lose 610, 609. They have to close above that level. Otherwise, this might play out like yesterday. Buy deep and then buy Let's see. I'm not doing anything right now. I'm waiting for this candle to close. That was a massive bear candle. Stupid bear candle. But it came off a level that I called 650s, right? 650, I was expecting resistance there, and boom, just came right back down. Again, every 20 points, expect some madness until we get through 680s for the bulls.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like how hard that candle came down, right? Get no room for continuation. All right, let's see if the bulls can take 610 again. If they take 610 again, they're gonna try to push up one more time. They will try for that pivot point at 627. All right, let's see. I hope you guys are in. Let's see if this thing gets volume here to push up. All right, 587 and pushing. 600s. Do they have what it takes to go back and clear those 620s? 610, 609. Come on, baby. Woohoo! Let's go. Hope you guys are loving the show, man. I don't play. I didn't come to play. Yesterday was a bit of a weird day, okay? So we're not playing today. We're taking everything today, okay? This might be my last trade for the day. I might be done, but we are taking everything. We'll conquer this shit. Yesterday just came in with a little bit of weirdness, so and it came swinging.
Please don't listen to goals. If you met your goals, don't listen to goals. Don't listen to goals. Guys.
Yes, she's absolutely right. If you made your goals for the day, be done. Be done and walk away. I just gave two really nice moves, right? First trade, 68, almost 70 points. Second trade is already up. What is this? Second trade's already up 30 points, right? So she's definitely right. If you met your goal for the day, don't listen to me. I'm here to make 10 grand.
Don't listen to him, okay?
I'm here to make about $10 on a day.
You can make 100 grand today, and we're okay with it. You.
She is absolutely right. Absolutely right. So
put your headset on, guys. Don't listen to ghosts.
Yeah. She not wrong. She is right. Off we go. All right, let's see if we can push back to those 660s and knock that level out. This is looking beautiful. Looking really good. So like I was saying earlier, right, market was setting up for a buy and set up nicely, you know, pulled back, didn't give us our sell level. Sell levels were 560, and then below 560 we're looking to go down the Asian low about 540, and that didn't happen, right? So we had this leg to the left hand side where the market bought up prior to the open, right? And so we just use the same theory. You come back, you retest that order block, you don't break lower, start to consider a little bit on lower time frames, we look for buy, and we take it down buy, and we're down buy up, and we make money. We're done, right? So don't hold through this pullback, right? It should be out of the market. Like I said, it's gonna give you 20 points. Every 20 points, get out of dump trade. That's what it's doing, right? And that's because of how it's set up overnight. It's the overnight setups just look weird. You really set up for 100-point moves, so you just grab your 20 and go. Grab your 20 and go. Grab your 20 and go. All right, can we make some real money today? Let's see. See if we get another trade. That's one too many though. In a market like this, I already got 2 trades on. That's not good.
Go have some coffee with some Henny.
You know, that's a
Listen to the voice in me.
See, the voice in me says I'm about 2K away from 10, and I need to make 10. So the voice in me is saying we're gonna collect that bag anyway. That's what we're gonna do. All right, market is misbehaving. All right, every 20 points you get out. Okay, so that was a 50-point move. We had a 68, almost 78-point move, and we're done with that. 60 points, boom. Let's see. Let's see what we can get here. Make sure your goals are realistic. Don't have unrealistic goals. Don't try to be another version of me because it never works out. Okay? Go easy. You make your money. You get
Guys,
out.
I'm here. I'm the person on the other shoulder. I'm on your both shoulders. You're right and your left. Don't do it. Yeah.
Listen, I
I'm
got
the
little.
good guy on your shoulders, okay? There's no devil, no God. It's just me. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Hey, here we go.
Validation queen. The other shoulder, you have ghosts, little ghosts talking to you.
Yeah. Pick your poison. You gotta pick your poison. All right, do we have news? What we at?
Yeah, 9:45 news.
9:45?
Yep.
What do we have?
Yeah, 9:45. It just took off.
Oh, flash
Yeah,
PMI.
flash manufacturing.
Okay, we're going to the moon. Who's ready to make money? Let's make
I
money.
think we're going bullish now.
Let's make some money.
Yeah, she's gonna take her time, but she's gonna break through.
So what you want to see is a break above 628. Okay, Get a break above 628. We are bullish to the moon, back into 662. 62 will be the next level. 662 will be the next level. You gotta take 628. You need to see a candle pushing above 628. There's a lot of buy side liquidity here. They could flash this thing back down while you're watching. Okay, so 628 needs to give way for us to see 660s, and then we can see 660. Then we are off to 674 and then to the moon. Okay, so be careful. Careful up here. We do need that 628. We need that. Need that. What just happened? Right, that's why we don't rush. Right, we take our sweet time. We wait for confirmation and we take a trade. We don't rush, but I like the bulls. I like bulls here unless bears. Again, my bearish territory is not going to change. You know, the bears need to come in strong and they need to take out 550 and they will need to take 540 for me to get interested in any kind of bearish setup.
Flash services was negative. Flash manufacturing flat.
So as you can see, right, once again, sell side, buy side, right? Buy side kind of won, right? Bulls can take buy side 628. What happened? Get clapped right back down. That's why you don't chase, right? Our entries are very particular. Right? We took a trade 584 and then we run nothing up, right? We don't chase, we don't do nothing that we're not supposed to be doing. And you can see how hard they're coming back down.
It's going to revise numbers at 10.
If your goals are realistic, they'll get hit. If you have unrealistic goals, they will not get hit. Okay. So just keep that in mind. Don't go wild, don't go crazy. All right, we are pinned right now. So what's the market gonna do here? Do we buy these 580s again? Or have I called enough trades already?
Making higher lows. It's sloppy as hell, but it's still making higher lows. So. What am I doing? Greg, you should have stopped me. Oh, sorry.
No worries.
Same level, right? We're just taking trades off the same freaking level and up until there's nothing sitting there for us to buy. We're just gonna keep buying our 580. That's it. We're just gonna keep buying it until it says enough's enough. daily says enough is enough. So if you took 580 again, you are up already 20 points. It's just fast. So be quick. Let's say 20 points and down, 20 points and down until the market breaks out and gives you a big move. I don't like how this is moving though right now. We've come back 580s and we don't seem to be getting that strong push yet. I do need to see some volume here. It's all bullish territory though, right? So I'm not worried about it, but I want to see some volume coming. There we go. Beautiful. Back 604s. Do they break again and try to push higher? Can we make some money? It's a beautiful Friday morning. After this trade, I am calling it. I am done for the day. If you want to fight the market, be my guest. I am so done with this. I'm done with this. I can't do any better than this, man. Look at that. Okay, I say 580 and we run up 40 points already. Right? That's a nice 20K on the day and we are done. I'm not doing this. No more call outs from me. Just do what you gotta do. I think the market's gonna run up. I still think it runs up, but I'm done. I am done.
Cost is done.
Yep, that's it. I don't need anything else. She can do whatever she want to do. Done, 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 done. Easy gains. Patience pays, right? Wait for the drop.
Sure
Market
does.
comes down, revisits 580s, doesn't give intention to go lower. What you do? Take the offer, right? She'll always show you what she's going to do. So let's see if, okay, maybe let me call one more. Not trading this, I'm just going to tell you, if the market does come down to 605, fills that gap and holds, okay, I'm not going to rush to take the trade there. I will wait, gap fill, and I'm going to wait for a break of 628, okay? Break 628 is where I would look to take the next trade. I wouldn't take it on the pullback because it's been doing some nasty stuff where it pulls back and just rides through the gaps and then goes lower. So that would be risky, right? So the easiest move would be to watch for a break of 628, right? Because that's buy side. So if they've swept through that level multiple times, what's the likelihood that on the next push, the bulls are not coming in with volume to take that level out and go test Tokyo high? And then above Tokyo high, they're looking for the Asian open, I believe, Asian high. I don't even know what level they're anymore. But yeah, probably Asian high all the way 733. 733. So don't rush the trade. Wait for a price to break above 628 or even a close above 628, and you can take a beautiful trade. You can make a shit ton of money. You can be a happy camper. Yeah, happy camper. Let's make some money. 25, 28 retest. What's it gonna be? We keep rejecting that level, right? So if they take that level, you're not gonna see it coming. It's just gonna come and go. And it'll be gone like poof. I'm trying. It's a supply zone, so we have to be careful. That's why I want to see it taken out completely before I participate. Let's see. Let's go. I'm not taking this trade with y'all because I'm done with my goals for the day and I don't want to ruin my plan. My plan was to come in swinging hard and take everything. I did just that. So I don't want to violate that. Okay. I don't want to violate that plan. Nothing good happens when you change your plan mid-flight.
At all.
Nothing good. Don't let the market fool you. There's only one person who can tell you where the market is going. It goes there. Okay. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. Can we close this level? Come on, baby. There you go. Alright, 628 and pushing. We're pushing through 628. I think we're gonna take it. See if we can get some volume here. Nice. Nice.
I think she's gonna go. There she goes.
Nice. Let's go. Alright, what I say? Oh boy. Alright. I think we gotta leave the automated trading alone and go back to manual stuff, you know, like this.
Oh, he said the M word again.
I said it. I said it. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I said it. All right, there we go. Let's see. Get another push here. If we can get a push into the 660s, that would be beautiful. So we've taken buy side, fill the week, right? And we are rejecting. Question is, do we have room to pump? And I think we have plenty of room to pump. We have not revisited 690s since last night. We got room for a pump. But again, 20 points, you protect, 20 points, you take your money. So that was... Sorry, what?
OSOB side at the top. 30-second OSOB side at the top.
Oh, yeah. Okay, that's a warning. Warning from the miracle worker, okay? So pay attention to that. Anyway, so that was about 30 points on the push, right? Through that 628 level, right? You got a beautiful 30 points there. Price pulls back. Miracle worker tells you shit's gonna pull back. You get out, you know, overstay your welcome, right? Let's see. But we did close the 628 and close 630, so bulls are just gathering momentum here to push this thing. They do need to get through Tokyo Open, which was 656, right? And if you can't push a down button, you know what to do. You join our group, you get access to TFP, you get access to G Pro, and you know what happens. We execute, we kill the markets every freaking day. Some days we lose though, okay? Not every day is a winning day.
Full disclaimer.
Some days we lose, but if we trade manual, I don't think we lose at all. We never lose when we trade manual, okay? Just
and he's a good mentor, but he cray sometimes.
It's gonna happen. What I need is to retire. I need to step down. That's what I need to do.
Do as you say, but don't do as you do.
What? That's not a good message. Let's see. Okay, so again, same deal, right? Another gap forming up, shaping up. We get another gap here on the 2 minutes. So if we pull back 640, you know, go higher. But I think we're bound to take out. All right, you guys want another trade? That's what? That's about 3 trades, right? Should I give out another one? Call it good. All right, let's see. Close above Tokyo Open. We're going to the gap at 676.
It's way more than 3.
It's more than 3?
Yes.
All right,
Yeah.
Cool. Somebody says more than 3 trades, so I should be done.
Okay, continue.
Nah,
Meeting everyone. Go ahead.
I think no.
One more.
One more. Okay.
One more.
You know, let's see. All right. Okay, next trade. 658. 658 goes to 675. That's the last trade of the day. That's the last trade of the day. Not big, baby. Let's go. 58 to 75. That's it. That is it. 58 to 75. We are up already. 62 and done, baby. Woo! Woo! Are you not entertained? You're not having fun with this. Oh man, what an early day. Alright, cool. So we're gonna go work on some G-Pro stuff because we are done trading. We're gonna work on some good stuff.
You know what that means.
You gonna work on some good stuff. Look at that thing go. 12,000 on the day.
They call me my good daddy. Daddy. Money,
Just give me my money.
I had to play with that one. I had to. This is the last trade of the day. I had to make an extra $2,000 just for the heck of it. Just for freaking fun. We are done. That's it. Can't give you anything else. Gave you every trade I could. Done. You know what they say, right? When you keep teasing her, she might take it all back. So I'm done. Okay, I'm done. All right. Okay, that's it for me. I'm gonna take a break, go make me some coffee, and start looking into this GPRO madness. TFP should be good, solid, and functional. I just need to look into this other baby so we can get back to rocking, get back to business. Because yeah, GPRO would have made you bank. Lots of it. And this one would have made you a shit ton. Alright, okay. Anything else? Miracle Walker, you want to take over? Call some trades? Completely up to you guys. But
No, we're done. We're done. All goals have been smashed. I mean, what else is there?
I mean,
All we have to do is shut down the live right now.
there's nothing else. All you gotta do is shut everything down. We are rocking. We are smoking it everywhere, all day long. All day long. Markets.
Utendo was looking for buys. Looking at the chats, he was looking for buys, and I think he got his wish.
Good for the guy. Good for the guy. And off she goes. Never dull moment.
Nope.
$700s, baby. What I say, 720 was the call.
You said
Go
this is 700s and then maybe 26,000. So it's not out the realm.
Nope.
It is Friday.
Yep. Friday, baby. Smoky. $720, about to be smashed. What I say? What did I say? Nobody reads this shit like I do. That's all I can say. Full disclosure. Nobody reads the market like I do. Okay. Maybe one day I'll go trolling on YouTube and I'll go compete with some traders live. Maybe one day. Maybe I need to go competing with Tradify live. Let's do it. Who's down?
Do it.
Next competition, next $1 million competition, Tradify brings Kathleen Hart. Green, baby. Alright, don't do what I wouldn't do. You know what I wouldn't do? I would not get back in this market. I would be done. I would go about my day. Yeah, that thing's gonna go probably 750s. We're looking for Asian high, so 730, above 730, man. Will be extended all the way to 799. Gosh, Friday. Gosh, Friday, we're just spitting bars and spitting money. We need to be spitting some bars today. Miracle Walker, what happened? What happened to spitting bars, man? Man,
Nothing happened. You thought we should use the intros.
We're on the line. We're on the line. That's why.
I hear you. So if you played with TFP, you should be up over 350 ticks, positive on the day. Even with that chop, back and forth chop, still up on the day, plenty. You know, TFP just closed out of its trade, so beautiful day overall. Don't forget, again, reminder, right? Number one, don't forget to turn off your systems. Number two, don't get back in the market. We are done, right? Systems are done. JPro killed it, TFP killed it, but we still update JPro, so be heads down a little bit to look into that. Maybe you can catch a trade at the end of the day. All right. What will? Nothing, right?
No, I'm just about to shut it down, do some calculations for the
Calculations. What are you calculating, man? I told myself today I was gonna get out of bed, gonna test whatever version we had, and we're gonna kill it. Make 10 grand on the day, and we're gonna call it a day. And we didn't do anything shy of that. We did just that. Okay, what is this not what they're supposed to do? It's weird. Hey.
We had a bunch of trades today. As you can see from the screen, we had a sell at 822, yielded about 156 ticks. Then we had a buy, which gave us about 207 ticks. Then we had a sell. We lost that sell, 116 ticks. Had a buy, we lost that buy, 111 ticks. We had a sell. We lost that sell for 154 ticks. And then we are in this buy, which is currently up over 369 ticks. So all in all, we had 6 trades, 3 of them wins, 3 of them losses. The losses came up to 381 ticks loss. The wins currently running 732 ticks profit. If you subtract your losses from your wins, you're still up 351 ticks. That's a lot of money. So, as usual, even if you take all the trades based off only the signals, you're not even taking the calls that goes called out live. You're just taking off the signals. You still make bank, right? What's stopping you from subscribing? What's stopping you from sharing? What's stopping you from liking? Absolutely nothing. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share. And if you want to join our premium channel, where you have one-on-one interaction with all of us here, including ghosts, reach out to WBE Master on Telegram or Discord for access. Once again, this is WBE TV signing out. Have an awesome weekend, everyone.
Thank you, Miracle Walker. Appreciate it.
See you guys up to pictures of the chat.
I gotta
One
do
second,
what?
guys.
Okay.
Gotta do what?